All right, let's start out today looking at the triple Qs, which were up 0.79% today, and we are starting to get some closes out here above 522. And the first thing I want to do is I just want to lower this arrow to temper expectations, because above 522, it's possible we are going up higher towards 533. And if we can hold above 522, that is exactly where we should be within the next day or two. Now, if we can't hold above 522, it's going to be very apparent because we're going to come down here and break down below 516. And in that scenario, I do think you should be getting risk off very quickly, because below 516, there's a very good chance we come all the way back down to the bottom of the range at 506. And then below 506, we come all the way down into the 490s. So you can stay bull above 516 on the triple Qs, or you can stay bull above 522. It's just a matter of where you want to manage risk. If you need a tighter risk level, use 522. If you want more wiggle room for this trade, use 516. Or if you already had the entry off 506, you can simply just stay long in that trade and continue to use that risk level as well. So on the triple Qs above 522, we will be looking for 533. And if we can't hold above 516, get risk off and look for lower prices, 506 being the first support that we would likely go to next. I think it's really that simple. It is still a bull trend, so there's really no reason to expect anything else unless price comes down here and breaks below support. And in that event, we can start looking for a deeper pullback. On the S&P 500, it's going to be the same exact story. We do need to lower the arrow to temper expectations here, because on SPY above 590, we will be looking for 604. If we can break above 604, we go back to the previous all-time high at 613. While we're above 590, stay bullish. I do think you should be getting risk off if we can't hold above 582. Below 582, we easily come back down towards 568. So keep that in mind. If we are not holding above 582, you do need to start looking for lower prices. But until that happens, SPY is still likely trying to go higher towards 604. And then finally, looking at Bitcoin, we did break down below 107. That is a lower high rejection into a lower low breakdown. And you can see right now, Bitcoin is making what could be another lower high rejection. So we are still looking for Bitcoin to go lower towards 102,000 while it is trading down below 107,000. If Bitcoin can make a higher low above 102,000 and get back out above 111 to 112,000, then and only then should you be looking for 118,000. I think right now Bitcoin is looking vulnerable and is more than likely trying to go lower, and at 102,000, if that doesn't hold, we could easily quickly come back down towards 97,000. So 102,000 is going to be a very critical support, so watch that closely, and it could be coming very soon if this is another lower high rejection. A quick update on our performance. We are up 18.74%, and again, all of you can have the same exact performance because this is my trade alert service, where everybody in this service gets my buy and sell alerts for the percent allocations for the TQQQ or the SQQQ. And we absolutely crushed this market in the month of May. Just last month alone, we were up 6.3%. And then year to date, we are up 18.75%. So we are absolutely crushing this market, which is still barely green year to date. And we are up nearly 19%. If you want to come trade with me, TSC Trade Alerts is the best way to do that, and we are still very cash heavy right now. So now is a great time to become a member if you've been thinking about it, and you can find out how to join TSC Trade Alerts by clicking on the link in the description of this video, and it's also in the comment section. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.